It's my feel-good breakfast show.
A very good morning and welcome back. This is your feel-good breakfast show, Espresso on SABC3. Now, to me, there's nothing better than on a Saturday morning, waking up to watch my favorite sports on a big screen TV, all HD. There's checking out the action, just really absorbing every bit of the action through a quality TV. And we all enjoy watching TV, right? But have you ever thought about what goes into making those devices, those TVs that we enjoy over the weekend so much? Well, Ilana got the privilege of having a behind-the-scenes tour of the Hisense factory to see exactly all of that magic happening. Take a look.
Behind every great company is a great story. Today we find ourselves at Hisense in Atlantis, Cape Town, to understand the behind the scenes of manufacturing, technology and quality that is Hisense.
Hisense first entered South Africa in 1996. The company has a national footprint, supplying thousands of chain stores. Deputy General Manager Ibrahim Khan is especially proud of the work being done in Atlantis.
Why choose South Africa to invest in and to build this incredible factory in Atlantis?
We believe with our investment that we've brought a massive economic opportunity to the people of Atlantis, where they need these jobs and the type of jobs especially centered around manufacturing. And we believe that hopefully this starts a positive trend for other international and national companies to consider this area as a possible investment location. And that's the only way that we will transition the socio-economic challenges faced by these communities to something that's a bit more self-sustainable.
So if there are two televisions next to each other with the same specs, I'll choose the Hisense one.
Of course you have to. It's a proudly South African product, and I think that becomes very important for us as a business, that it's not only about the technology, you know, the aesthetics of the product, 4-year warranty that we also bring with our products. We are a global company with a proudly South African approach.
The Atlantis manufacturing facility opened its doors in June of last year. It has the capacity to produce 400,000 refrigerators and televisions respectively per annum. Helping to keep things running like clockwork is Elton Janssen.
So how is a TV made from scratch to where it's actually a television set?
There are different levels, departments as I can call it, that needs to go. I'm going to show you exactly the different departments as to what needs to go inside a television set.
At the heart of the set is an advanced printed circuit board, or PCB, that processes the audio-video signals.
So this looks like a really high-tech machine.
Yes, this is what we call the pick-and-place machines, and we use these machines to hold the PC boards that needs to go into the television sets.
This part of the process requires speed and precision. Near 2,000 televisions are manufactured per day. Many of the local employees have previous experience in their field. Newcomers are trained by technicians with 10 to 20 years experience under the belt.
I see all the ladies are wearing these blue wristbands. What are they for?
The anti-static bands, the blue bands you see is anti-static bands, and that's just to make sure that the people don't build up any static that can cause danger to the components, and just to ground it and make sure that whatever those ladies are putting in are just neutralized.
Alton, this is a fascinating process. What's happening right now?
We are in the main line where we assemble a television set. Everything that you see is what needs to go inside of a television set. The communication board that we've been populating in other two departments are being put inside of television set on this main line.
Finally, each set is inspected and tested by the floor manager to earn its stamp of approval. Hisense are confident to offer their 4-year warranty on TV and fridges in participating channels. That's almost double the industry standard.
Ibrahim, I just saw how amazing it is, and I've learned from Alton the quality and the care that goes into each product for the consumer to receive it on the other side. Do you have that same kind of relationship with your consumers, with the customer?
We know how annoying it is for a customer to have a problem with a product, then to take it back to where they purchased it, and then to be told that you need to wait 5 working days. So what we've decided to do is, in the first-tier cities, we've invested in service centers, and these service centers are there to repair the product within 60 minutes, so that's the target. So, you know, we can offer a cup of coffee while the customer waits, and within an hour they can get their product back in their hands and go back home and enjoy what they purchased.
The company wins market share through credibility, dependability, and consistent presence in a very competitive market.
What a fantastic experience. Just being in this advanced manufacturing facility makes me think this is how corporate involvement in our communities should be like.
Looking to the future through technology, quality and manufacturing. Hisense, life reimagined.